All right, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create your own retractable banner. So first, we're going to go to custom size. This always defaults to pixels, so make sure you change it to inches. You are limited with the size of width and height that you can do. Always communicate. Let me know any questions you have. I'll tell you what to do. But you can only really do around 30 by like 80 inches. I think you can, the highest you can do is 82. But most retractable banners are around the 92 inches to 87 inches or higher. So we'll just get started with this because as of right now, that's not important. We're going to go then and search the templates. We're going to search in banners. Here's the awesome stuff that you can work with. So this is pretty. This one's really nice. This is cool. You know, you interchange with your own stock this video picture if you wanted. This one, you would just interchange your picture out. You know, the elements are really cool. You would just change the color of it. So if you wanted that to be a different color, you'd go in there and change it to something else. See, look at how I'm changing it. So that is how you can go in and make your retractable banner. So then what you're going to do is give it a name. Give it a name. Then we're going to hit share, download. We need to have a good print. Always CMYK and hit the download button. So that is how you can go and create a retractable banner. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to help.